Oh, hello folks, 1973 Caboose here with an update. The other day I got this locomotive, a couple bucks from a guy right in town here. It was a dummy when I got it, and I had a junk RS11 which donated the gears, drive shafts, motor, and the headlight assembly. And I finally got it running. And this is going to be another Conrail unit. And it's an old AHM but with model power guts, and it runs pretty damn good for something that was a parts thrown together locomotive, thank God. Accidentally wired everything backwards back over the weekend after picking the locomotive, the dummy up, and converting it to a powered unit. And I love getting junk stuff and rebuilding stuff from non-running to fully running. And the shell is right next to the primer grate. As you can tell, it's in the patriotic blue colors, which is the Conrail blue, or Ford blue, as some of the people would know that really care. This was an engine that I got with a little bunch of stuff I got back a while ago. And this engine was running like crap, and I actually tried this kind of electrical grease stuff. I wiped it on the motor, and boy, what a big difference. The part with the brushes rub up. I got the engine where it runs like it was out of the box new. Just put a brand new set of wheels underneath the Wabash gondola. And that's today's update. If you would like, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification, hit the like button. If you want to make a comment, you can. And keep viewing. Peace out, everybody, and have a safe day. Catch you, bye.